Tappy activated. Here's the last portion of the data on the coolest fan tokens. Lazio, a top Italian club, started offering their Lazio token in October 2021 through Binance. This token gives fans a role in the team's e-commerce projects and a voice in decision-making. Clarification patterns activated. Lazio is using blockchain to bring fans into both the game and the club's behind-the-scenes business. Next on my robo-agenda is Santos FC, a famous Brazilian football team. It launched the Santos token on the Binance Smart Chain in November 2021. With this token, fans can vote on club decisions, get access to exclusive merch, and even score limited NFTs. Manchester City, one of the most popular football clubs in the world, joined the fan token craze in March 2021 with their City token on the Chili's platform. Fans love it because it opens up new ways to interact with the club. Analysts think the City token could really take off as Manchester City keeps growing globally. Galatasaray, Turkey's iconic football club, created their Gal token in February 2020 on the Socios platform. This token gives fans voting power on club decisions and nice discounts on team merch. It's a smart move by Galatasaray to give their supporters more control and show just how much they value their fans. The conclusive statement: fan tokens aren't just digital collectibles. They let fans vote, get cool perks, and feel more connected to their favorite teams. From Barcelona's Bar to Santos's Santos, fan tokens are shaking up how clubs and fans interact. That's all the data I wanted to share on the currently most popular fan tokens. If you know any other well-liked tokens, share your knowledge in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe. Tappy deactivated.